here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Check this one out. 1966 Chevrolet Nova Chevy 2. Two-door hardtop. Listen to this. 383 stroker underneath the hood, and it sounds good. We'll start it up at the end of the video, let you hear it run. And it's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, M21. Take a look at the front bumper, grille, headlights, surrounds. See the bright works in nice shape. Tropic turquoise, original color of this car, so still very similar to the way it would have been produced. Back in 1966, L paint code, turquoise interior, black hood stripes as you can see. Take a look at all the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, unique, classiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. You can also call us 507-386-1726. American Racing, polished 5-spoke wheels. You're going to notice that there is drilled and slatted rotors behind there. It's got disc brakes at all 4 corners. We'll check out the rear ones in here in just a second. We take a look down the passenger side. The car appears to be nice and straight. Let's go ahead and take a look at this interior on the passenger side in a second. So again, turquoise interior. Has been redone. Cloth and vinyl combination. We have an aftermarket Pioneer stereo system and aftermarket gauges underneath the dash. Bring it around to the driver's side, start it up. And again, let you hear it run. We'll check out the interior a little closer from that side. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Rear disc brakes also. As you can see there. How about the chrome in the rear? Bright work on the rear. Of course, that Chevy 2, like I said, always popular here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Another thing to remember is we do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it to see this one yourself. Feel free to have somebody look at it for you. An inspector, maybe you can't make it due to distance or time. Not a problem. Get in the interior, you're going to see that this does have a Hurst shifter. A couple other things to add: new wiring, MSD ignition underneath the hood. I think it was an Edelbrock Scorpion intake manifold. Let's take a look down this driver's side, then we'll take a little closer look at that engine bay. You can see the paint's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. You may find an imperfection here or there. Small, so be it. Fun car, get in and drive it. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, and your local shows. This one will definitely get some attention. Door panels look good, matching the seating surface. As you can see, there's seat belts intact, front and rear. What headliner? Headliner all looks good. 6x9 Pioneer speakers on the rear deck, it looks like. It's a nice stereo system in the car. Aftermarket tack on the steering column. All right, let's go ahead and fire this one up. All right, oil pressure gauge working. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp to be up. Voltmeter looks like it's working. Mention the radio does work.
And accumulate points to win the grand prize. $15 per person includes trivia entry, appetizers, and lunch.
I'll warm up a little bit here. See the tack is working. Big fuel gauge also. Alright. Make sure we're in neutral. Stroker, a little rumble to it. There's some miscellaneous paperwork. You can see over here along the wall. Miscellaneous paperwork we'll send with the car too. Sounds good. It'll turn some heads with the way it looks and the way it sounds. Alright, let me pause this a second. I might be able to get one hand in this drive. too long a reach. There we go. Much easier with two hands. Underside of the hood looks good. There it is. 383 stroker. There you can see MSD ignition. There's a battery disconnect. We're here in the passenger fender. Also has a fat man front end. Positive rear end. Nice looking and sounding. 1966 Chevrolet Nova Chevy 2. Good looking two-door hardtop. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1966 Chevrolet Nova in a really nice color with some black stripes. That color carries through all the way to the inside. This is a 4-speed on the floor. Let's see how she does on the highway. Lots of power in this Nova. Nice feeling clutch, easy to shift. Our oil pressure is showing over 70. Temperature about 185. Volts are charging at 14. On the column we have the tachometer working well. Fuel gauge is at 3/4. The speedometer, however, is not moving. So we do not have a speedometer or odometer. We have an aftermarket radio on the dash.
It's really a sense.
That's working well. Letting go of the wheel, this car stays nice and straight in the lane. Definitely get a nice rumble from that exhaust in this car. The idle especially sounds really good. This car corners well, doesn't lean very much. I took that corner in third gear, plenty of torque.